Hey guys, how are you? Hope so everyone will be fine. Guys, if you are still not subscribed to my channel, kindly click on subscribe to stay tuned with my upcoming videos. So move towards the video. Okay guys, today in this video we will learn about that how to use the multiplexer and what is multiplexer. I think so it is visible to everyone where my cursor is blinking. Multiplexer, multiply by 1000. What does it mean? It means that if we read it carefully, at the bottom it is mentioned that multiply by 1000 multiplier means that if your asset price changes by 1%, your return on the investment will be increased by 1000%. Okay, but this is not only in the case of profit, this is also in the case of loss. If the percentage of loss is increasing 1%, so it is multiplied by 1000. If we maintain the multiplier in 1000. Okay, if our asset is going in profit and our multiplier is in profit, then the percentage of your profit is multiplied with 1000. Okay, what does it mean and how it works? Okay, now we will move towards the video. We will move towards the trade. In this trade we set the multiplier as 1000. Okay, and we invest $100 and we put the trade on buy. Okay, now you can see that $23.73% we are in loss. Okay, now similarly move towards another asset, and at that point we make the multiplier 500. Okay, now same amount we invest there, $100. At that point our loss was 23 point something. Okay, now the multiplexer is 500. Now see what is our loss. Yes, our loss is 9.4%. Okay, we move forward and make the set the value of multiplexer more low. Okay, we choose another trade. In this trade we make the multiplexer 200. Okay, now at that point if we sell, make the trade of $100. Okay, we make the trade of $100. Now you can see that our loss starts from 5% or 4%. Okay, in where we have set the 1000, at that point our loss is 27. Where we have set the 500, our loss is 18%, and where we have set the multiplexer 200, our loss is 5.41. and the same thing is repeated in the case of profit. If our trade is going towards the profit, if the multiplexer is 200 and we are in profit of 6.50, then our profit will be 6.677. Okay, if in the same scenario we were in profit, then we are in profit of 43% or 44%. Okay, if in this scenario where the multiplexer is 1000, you can see that we are going into loss with very speedily and rapidly, because the multiplexer is 1000. If we are in profit, then in the same ratio we will move towards the profit. Okay, so I suggest you that never use 1000 or 500 multiplexer in your investments, because you can see that auto closing at 95% and maximum, and this is the maximum point. If we set auto closing on 100%, it cannot be set. If we set it auto closing at 120%, it cannot be set. Okay, the maximum is 95%. And if your multiplexer is 1000, you can see there our multiplexer is 1000, and in just a few minutes our trade is going towards the loss, and it become 65% loss. And where we have set the multiplexer of 500, we are in 52% loss, and where we have set the 200 multiplexer, we are in profit, or sorry, we are near to our profit, and the loss percentage is very low. So don't be so greedy to make the more profit. Maybe you can lose your whole asset, because it will auto close. You can see that the trade is going against our prediction, against our asset, and it will reach 95% very soon. Okay, but in this case we have more chances of profit, because if the trade go against maximum, where is the 90%? We can measure. This is the 42%. We can see there is 81%. I think so it is visible to you where my cursor is blinking. This is 81%, and the similar distance from that point to upward is 81%. But in this scenario, you can see there is a 95% where cursor is blinking, and at that point the trade will be automatically closed. Maybe when it touches that 95%, and then it go towards profit, but we have lost all the money. We will lost our whole investment. So keep in mind that never invest by taking such a risk of 1000 multiplexer or 500 multiplexer. Always try to use the multiplexer of little value. It will make your profit slowly, but it will make the profit. But if you are thinking that you will make the profit very rapidly, then keep in mind that as rapidly you want to make your profit, same as you may be in loss. So dear, I suggest you that always use the 100 multiplexer or 200 multiplexer while trading the forex. Hope so you will learn something from this video. If you like it, if you have learned something of new thing from this video, don't forget to like it, share it, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe it, and inshallah we will back with a new video. Take care everyone. Allah Hafiz.